What is up, guys? Saturday means finally 86 day. I know 86 has been delayed for a very long time, and because I've been pretty busy with like Jeep, blah blah, and a few more stuff. The day of the 86 has come again. Some of the stuff that I've actually done on the 86 is actually the fuel rail. I did the fuel rail, did the AN fittings, but not fully done on it yet, and also mounted the fuel regulator on the engine bay. Make the fuel rail beautiful as well, make it shiny, and also I think that's all I've done so far. So today the plan is to actually continue on whatever I've left behind previously, which is on the fuel system. So we're going to do the fuel return and the fuel feed, new hard lines using the copper hose. If you guys watched my previous video, I have done it on the Lancer bolt-on, the Lancer GTE for the return hard line. So that's what we're doing, but this time we're totally removing the feed line and the return line and the original one, the OEM lines, and change it to the copper lines because we want the lines to be tucked in the engine bay. So we need to make a custom one so it will look prettier. Yeah. Elvin is going to be a bit late today, so he needs me to open the workshop earlier. Hence, I'm already out early. Is this early? What time is it? It's 9 AM. I've been occupied with my Jeep. My Jeep brakes has been bugging me for so long, and to be honest, I've not settled it yet. Going to settle it soon, but right now the brakes are usable, which is good enough compared to previously. I don't even have any brakes. Love this power, but very laggy. Update on the 6-pack takes time, but very comfortable with it already. Needs a bit of skills to drive it around, especially to move it at slow speed. But in terms of power, it's really good. So I'll see you guys at Elvin. Different nak cai. Those of you who have not seen my engine bay for so long, super shiny. Nice, I love it. Yeah. What I've done previously: fuel regulator mount, fuel rail already in, using AN fitting, and I clean it up already. Shiny. Injectors already in, but the seal at the end not yet installed. Gonna install later. So gonna jack up the rear and install the hard line. Let's do that. New hard lines, copper hose, pull all the way in front. Right now the original lines, which are these ones, we have to remove the original lines, unscrew this and cut them out. Yeah, unscrew this, use the gearbox mounting and whatnot. So these lines are all the way here to the back, which is like that, going all the way to the fuel tank. So let's remove that.
Bring it out of that, broken, take the banyak pasir. Main. Tahan nun dalam atas.
Dari atas kah?
Atas.
Oke. Ah.
Oke, non. Oh, atas lurus.
Lurus.
Oh, bingkot terus.
Tarik.
Pergi dinding.
Tolak kah?
Karena tahu kau je, selalu namanya perkapatan. Cukup kan? Tempat host enggak?
Wih, gila, cukup. Cukup, bos. Ya fit ya pun sama lah, Bin. Fit pun belah sama kan lah.
Timang lu kapling mah itu ah.
Ya. Tempat ori nang badia ka ba?
Ori itu ha?
Ya.
Tuh lagi non lagi besi klip nak.
Ya.
Tapi klip mana lagi nak je saya ko.
Jam.
Mana kena lompat dah. Lurus aja.
Dah lah. Ya. Cuna lurus.
Kamu jaga pak sedih ya. Mantap.
Untuk dia main lah banyak jenis keras.
Apa ya?
Pipe tu.
Oh.
Ikutnya.
Ah, oke. Oke. Oke.
Macam mana?
Nyam.
Oh iya.
Ya.
Teman.
Dong.
Ya. Nompolitan lagi.
Ya.
Itu lagi terus kunci nak.
Ya.
Terus kunci itu. Ini
Eh.
return on ha. Atau return on.
Ya.
Tapi return on bukan ka pedak om eh. Aku prefer untuk tangki ya.
Nya yang puritan dulu. Ini memang ya fit bah. Pala nak kepala host.
Lepas tu minit bah.
Ya. Pala host besar.
Dia make this.
Pura-pura mati.
Kau saya nak hal lah. Just ikat ke betai tapi beli ke betai ke manas ke mai. Keras pun
Tapi aku rasa besi pun lagi boleh kena babin.
besi kan.
Ya, boleh. Lagi boleh. Lagi aku nyambung aku lekat.
Ya. Banyak.
Kau tem.
Sandpaper longsor. Tidak mau masuk dia. Long stop in. Yes. So the new fuel line return and feed is already in. Goes all the way there and all the way to the back. Like that. Long shaft is already locked also. You can see it's quite far away. This one will be locked properly because it's very close to the long shaft. But overall it's okay. Done. Yeah. Exhaust mounted also. All done. Now can jack down the car. Yes. We have done installing the fuel lines. So you can see the custom copper lines. This one is gonna be the feed, and this one is gonna be return, which is gonna be connected to the fuel rail, the feed side, and then after that the return is going to be connected here to the bottom side of the regulator, returns here, then after the end of the regulator, which is this side, going to be connected to the regulator. That's all finally. Now it's just left the wiring and whatnot left to do. So yeah, that's for the next video. We have done on the feed and the return line on the AE86. So far the next plan is to install the fuel pump and finish up on the fuel rail on the AE86 and the injector to install the injector seals. Why I changed the fuel hard line is actually because I'm doing the engine wire tuck, full wire tuck. It means that I want to use the custom hard line and feed line on the engine bay so that it'll be more neat, the look more empty, more clean. So, and also because with larger fuel line you can supply larger volume of fuel going to the engine. So I hope you guys like the content today on the AE86. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.